like a job for the Yankum winch line. Well, we gotta go get a Honda Pilot that's dead at the bottom. Tow that back to camp.
On our way in, we came upon this truck that was stuck.
Looks like a job for the Yankum winch line. All right, looks like we're gonna winch this one out.
You gonna get muddy?
I can.
Right there.
They're waterproof for a reason.
Yeah. Get down in there and we'll throw you the line. Go ahead and take that shackle off. Can you get it off? Try again. All right, leave it on. We'll leave it on for now. And we'll take it off but stay down there because we got to hook something to it.
Well, do you want me to try to take the hitch out and then hand it to you?
No, I'm going to hand you this though. Abby, you're going to hook this to that clevis down there.
Okay.
All right?
All right.
What's that?
Do you want to hold this?
That's not my girl. She's part of the BSF.
Are you gonna winch it out, Abby?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, it's making the wrecker light.
Be good footage if you put it on the side.
Listen to Kearns.
Yeah, voice of reason over here.
What are we gonna do, Ab? What are we gonna do?
Anchor the front end so it's.
So we got to get back down there and unhook.
No, he said we're gonna anchor the front end of
Ah.
the wrecker,
The front end of the wrecker.
so the wrecker stops moving back.
Okay.
It doesn't run me over.
Did you do that on purpose, Abby? Put it right there in front of that tree so you could anchor to it? Is that how you did that?
He was driving.
Oh, he was supervising. You were driving.
No.
to still hook up to pull him out.
Yeah. So I'm gonna-
Okay.
Alright, so I got-
Hang on. Stay right there. Stay right there while he gets moving. Hook it to the Panadol.
New boots.
Okay. I think this will be Abby's Muddy Recovery.
Oh, really? That's so cool.
Abby's Spa Day. A day at the spa, playing in the mud.
Stay at the spa.
Right?
I like
Yeah.
that.
Yeah? Abby Spa Day. That'll be the perfect thumbnail.
Okay, we gotta pick up the buggy here that I don't know, training fluid was coming out of when he tried to pull that F-150 out.
So
All right.
we're gonna take you guys out and then find the order for that.
Sprayed out on this side.
So this train line's fine.
It just get hot, the train.
It blew it.
No, it blew it all. It's all wet on this side.
They cracked the housing.
Oh, hey, come here and look.
What? They break the whole housing?
No. I think you blew oil back.
Oh, that always does that.
Oh. Just because it was all wet on this side.
No, all the train was gone. Look at that. All the train was gone.
Yeah.
The C4 training. It ain't crack. I don't see crack at all. But you can see it going all the way up there. It blew up top. Fuck. Alright, it's fine. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, we'll get him back to camp and then back in for the Honda.
What are you getting, Abby?
The yankum.
The what?
The yankum.
All right, now.
I think it's on the other side, the blue one we were using earlier.
Well, we're gonna have to have somebody steer this one. Abby, you got the keys.
Yep.
It's not locked, honey. I guess they didn't want somebody to steal it.
They swapped it. So just your key on in neutral. Roll down your window. Okay? And steer it.
See if the horn works.
All
Okay,
right.
if you don't feel safe, honk the horn.
Yep.
And good thing your wiper's on back there.
Hey, you're rolling.
All right.
Yep.
Did it start or not? No. Because they had no crank, no start.
Right.
So,
So just key on.
yeah.
How do I get that to stop?
Over there on the other side, it looks like.
That's the back one. That does that.
It's got a short somewhere. If you don't feel safe, honk your horn.
Well, the sun's going down and we're heading back to camp. The last one. For today anyway. Well, we got him back to camp.
Thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, stay safe, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.
So, you get one of these.
Thank you.
You get that when you get towed out.
Yep,
Thank you.
no problem.